In the realm of unconventional careers, urban soundscape archaeology explores how city noise shapes behavior and guides the design of streets. Maya, a former software tester, swapped code for field recordings and recalls the thrill of capturing night rumbles and chimes. Thea, once a bicycle courier, now collects environmental data, learning to read wind currents and traffic rhythms to protect urban wildlife. Skepticism, tight budgets, and gear gaps challenged them, yet mentors and microgrants helped them turn listening into practical interventions. The reward is real impact and creative freedom, proving curiosity can redraw a career map while keeping steady work.